Yes, thanks for joining. Okay. Okay. You may have seen that CEG is up 5.77%. It was actually higher than that before. So first of all, let's carry on with APLD. APLD is let me see what I'm sharing. Okay, yeah, that's the right thing. APLD is yeah, recovering from yesterday's spike. Now the price is coming back into its price channel. This is on Think and Swim. It might be a bit different on Trading View. We had projections yesterday for APLD. Projections. We had them. What was the price? 10.18. We had 10.92. Quite ambitious. Not there yet. You should buy it, So, but the stock is quite promising. Given the news of the news that it's going to be sharing. Given the news that what happened again? CoreWeave, they had that agreement 12 years or something like that. Yeah, but that's a lifeline that company surely needs. Yeah. Okay. I may not be able to. I was going to see if I can see your charts. I can't see anything here yet. So yeah, let's see. NVDA. But in any case, just trying to continue the uptrend. NVIDIA is up 2.81%. Intraday high printed not recently. This was as of Friday, sorry, the 29th. That was Thursday, 143. Let's see, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is, yeah, we have, this is the 4-hour chart. Extrapolation is for high prices to continue to print up till and even into the pre-market session of Thursday the 5th. So we have what do we have in terms of projections? What do we have? We have some downward projections. One that is 7.13 upper projection. 147.56, 1506. Will always be some news. Jeffries has named NVIDIA as a top stock, with analyst Blaine Curtis predicting that Blackwell AI chip production could boost gross margins to 70 to 80% this year, up from 61% to $145. I mean, trade deals potentially affecting NVIDIA. Yeah, 0.063 point. So next talk is let's see what's going on with KPRX. KPRX. APRX. Let's see. Yeah, got a rejection. Let's see. Are we going? But it's actually extrapolating that a rebound might occur at some point in this session, but ultimately we're looking at lower prices and it's a distributive one here from the send you. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, they actually gained as much as 53% after the company said it granted Senju Pharmaceuticals an exclusive option to exercise rights to an exclusive development and commercialization deal for KIO-301 to treat ophthalmic diseases. Next is HIMS. We have 5.67 downward projection. Up. I think there was a news. Human has rises as Sabbath deal paves way for European expansion. Okay, so that's what we did. Over 10%. Options go all the way towards 61.53. No guarantee that they will print. So let's see. Next one is next stock is S. However, the extrapolations for high prices for the stock. Let's see. Volato Group. Okay, that's all. That's upper projections. You can find more, some radical ones, maybe ambitious ones here on a 1 minute chart. We may be able to find 291 upper projection. Can find some upper project we have here. We have no. Let's see. There as such as we see on the 2-hour chart. What do we have? We have 285 downward projection, but recently. So next is BBAI. BBAI is what has it gained in this session? Down 0.63%. Okay, we have any news concerning BBAI? Okay. Okay. In terms of projection, downward projection, 8 upper projection. We could just quickly have it active for some time now. Let's see now. Since so in a very short time, it's been in it is in a over a month now. It's been so I mean the underlying trend is actually bullish. So the stock is in a strong bullish trend. Yeah. So this is in a strong bullish trend. The underlying, the 200-day moving average is a sloping bullishly upwards. However, the extrapolation is that lower prices may kick in. So this expansion that began on the maybe Tuesday, the 22nd of April, expected to be contracted neutrally. A distributive contraction is expected. So, but regardless, we have 4.39, 4.94, 5.25. Those are upper projections. I think maybe fresh news has popped up here. Okay, let's see what's next. REKR. REKR. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, REKR. Yeah. Okay, this is showing some strength within a longer term bearish trend. And the expansion that began on Friday the 30th, or that began yesterday, is that began yesterday is expected to contract. Not taking place yet, but is expected to kick in at some point. We have no upper projections. We have a downward projection of 1.27. Before now, REKR systems selected for statewide Texas command platform. See what's going on there. Here as well, we have a distributive contraction expected. Let's see what we have. We have in terms of projections, nothing. It's a downward projection, 1.41. We could just jump 1.54, 1.56. In this session, some high prices are expected at some points in a few minutes time, but this is a 1-minute chart. It's not going to be of much value by the time you watch this. Sometimes, okay, let's look at a 2-minute chart. We might have something to project. We have ambitious projections: 1.48, 1.67, 1.82, 1.92. Upper projections. Let's have a look at the 5-minute. There's 1.45 upper projections, 1.67, 1.82, 1.92. Okay, that's okay. Last one is NAK. NAK is Northern Diamond Minerals Limited. Let's see now. We have a distributive contraction is expected. The stock has been showing strength since Friday the 30th. No, as a matter of fact. The trend has been the underlying trend on this 4-hour chart is a bullish one. So the stock has been in a strong bullish trend. Yeah, since February. Since February, it's been in a strong bullish trend at various times. There was it has its corrective phases, distributive phases, attempting to correct volatile expansions. This was from March, late March, and it ended in early April. And then we had another one began in very late April and ended in middle of May. So since that time now, it's been on the move again. So we have what we have here is a distributive contraction is expected. A distributive contraction is expected on the stock. Let's see. Do have projections. 1.28. That's all we have. No upper projection there. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see. Yeah, you can see that strong bullish trend. Projections we have says 1.2 down projection 1.22, upper projection 1.35, 1.43. Yeah, so I'm going to cover this stock on its own right away. Once the stream ends, I'm going to cover it. So expect more of NAK now in a few minutes. So yeah, so thank you for watching this live stream, and expect an update on NAK. And thank you very much for joining.